I gotta sell this little quad. Sorry. No. I'm gonna sell this little quad that I've built. It is like a little drift quad. It's got a big block underneath it and some racing kart tires and a better carburetor and a header. So this thing hauls ass. It's gotta be like 10 or 12 horsepower. But I'm gonna take it out to the yard, test it out a little bit before I sell it. Let's see what she'll do.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
Thanks for watching, guys. All right. Let's go back in. She seems like she rips pretty good for me. They can tighten the chain if they want, but it's good to go. If it's good enough for me to whip donuts on, it's good enough for somebody else. I was whipping. It goes fast, real fast. Gotta be able to do like 60. It's moving, man. Come on, let's go in. I'm sure my wife's gonna be impressed with all the donut marks. Hey guys, welcome back, and anybody else new watching, welcome to Whiskey Throttle. My name's Cody. I've been doing mini bikes and go-karts since I was 10 or 12 years old, can't remember exactly. I'm 38 now, and my kids are getting to be about my age when I was starting to run around with mini bikes and go-karts, and that's why I'm building all this stuff. I was a farm hand or farm mechanic for 10 years, and the farm that I worked at, it closed. And now I'm a stay-at-home dad. My wife is the main breadwinner now because she's became management while I was trying to be a farmer, and my job went under and hers didn't. So anyways, just so you guys have a heads up, you know, want to know why I do this kind of stuff. And yeah, I don't know, it was fun when I was a kid, and I want my kids to have a little bit of the 90s. You know, a lot of you guys probably the same thing, right? You know, a little bit of the 90s coming back would be sweet, you know, mini bikes and go-karts and things you can actually get hurt on. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna give you guys a heads up on what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do the clutch on this side, the brake on this side. We're gonna change out the engine to the bigger 250, and then tires and sprocket, that kind of stuff. There we go. So if you see, the engine's mounted. It's only mounted in 2 spots. In the future, I will have to make another mount. I'm thinking this one right here is the one I'm going to go to after. Either that or up here, maybe even. Just to start, because 2 mounts isn't good enough. It is for now, but later we'll put another mount here. So, engine's in, except I don't have my clutch cover. I wonder where that is. I got a chrome one. You want to see if the chrome one fits? Here's this chrome baloney. I have the black one, but it is broken in a couple spots. I'm just gonna see. I don't think this one's gonna fit either. Oh. No dice. Okay, where's the other one? Where's the black one? So this is the piece that goes over top of that. And this is the little piece that holds the wires out of the way. Maybe we'll JB weld this up or something, because this is the piece that's broken on it. And it goes, yeah, just rambling, eh? Sorry guys, you won't see most of this. Or if you do, I'm sorry you did. So, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna clean this one up and get it JB welded and sitting in the background. And hopefully, what is that other stuff you can get? They have like crank seal, but I'm gonna JB weld it, I think. Let me give her the beans with the JB. So I'm gonna JB weld that. Just, I'll see you guys in a minute. I hear our exterminator, he's late for work. Guess we should let him in, eh? Where you been? You're late. Man, show started like 20 minutes ago. Where have you been?
Oh, buddy.
Where's all the mice assistants? You didn't bring me not one mice assistants.
Oh, buddy.
Fine. Be that way. Anyways. Okay. What's next? That guard piece is getting glued. What did I tell you I was going to do? Engine's in. These 2 shifter part, take the engine out, blah, 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 and take the, sorry, I should just be a little bit better. Sorry, be better, damn it. Okay guys, I'm on to the clutch and the, so, clutch and brake. Okay, give me a second. Let me put this piece on and we'll go.
Okay.
Brake fluid. Oh no, we're gonna put the line on. Was it cleaned out? Is it doing the thing? Does it make any? Yep. Makes a sound. That's a good noise. Hopefully it actually pumps. Pumps fluid is what I'm asking. Okay, we're gonna hook up this line.
Can I help you?
Watch out, sweet pea. Back up. Oh. Okay, go.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to take the line off now, try and keep it up. Kind of like that so it doesn't shoot fluid all over the place. But it's going to, of course. It's brake fluid. It loves to come out of everything.
I can go down.
All right. Line is on. Now we're on to brake fluid. Okay. Dad's just gonna fill it full of brake fluid.
Okay.
Just like that. Watch out. Okay, we're gonna bleed these brakes, and see if we can actually get fluid through. Oh, I see bubbles, so at least we're actually doing things. Okay. You guys over here. Yeah, doing things. I'm gonna do this for a while, leave it on, because I'm gonna go make some lunch, and then I'll be back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Okay, it's been a while, been a few hours, had lunch, let this thing chill for a while. We're gonna throw a little cover back on. I did top it up a second ago, and I do have nice firm brake. See that? So that means I'm getting pressure. Put this back on. Now I'm not going to say that dirt biking trick worked all the way because I did have to squeeze it a few times. There was like some trapped air right here somewhere. But as soon as I got that out, it was really nice and firm after, so I don't know if it helped or didn't help. Somebody told me to do that. Okay. So that's our brake and our clutch, which I don't have the cable for yet. Brake is actually works nice. Okay. So that's brake, clutch, engine in. I gotta order a new front tire. That front tire shot. So one thing I did notice, guys, when I was sitting here and I was trying to change the tires, because I don't like those, the nubby ones. I don't like those ones. Going back to this one, because it's like a wider profile. I don't know if you can see that. It's a wider profile. So I like these ones better. Mind you, I don't much like the pattern, but whatever. But here, I'll show you what I found out. I don't know if you can see that on cam. Hold on, I'll get it going real quick for you. Oh, hard to get you guys going while I do this. Here, I'll put you on the tripod maybe. That shows it off anymore. If you watch, nope, that don't do it. Maybe from here. There she goes. There you go. There you go. See that wobble? There you go. You can kind of see it right there. There you go. Nice shot of the wobble. Anyways, I think the rim is bent.
Yeah.
Whoever had this mini bike before me bent that front rim. So that's going to be a call to Go Power Sports. I've never actually ordered anything off Go Power Sports. But, because yeah, they're in America and I gotta pay the shipping and stuff like that, but I've been excited to try and order something off them. So I'm gonna order a new front rim. They got like a cool little mag. I was thinking about buying the mag and then a new rear rim as well, because I think it's bent too, but not as severely. Yeah, so this dried out overnight. I'll show you how it turned out. See, it's all gooped in there. I think it'll hold. Or if it doesn't, I would have swore that it would have, but it's because I filled the whole back of it. Okay, well, let's throw it on here and see if it works, guys. I just cracked it. That's what I meant by don't do it so hard. What a jackass. Ah! I get to redo all that again. So yeah, rather than taking it back off and doing it all again, I'm just gonna goop it while it's on there. and fill in the crack that opened up. What the hell, JB Weld? You used to be wicked strong. Well, it's probably because I didn't have it in the right position when I friggin' JB Welded it. Whatever. This will either hold or it won't. Again. Let it dry this time like that. Well, guys, that's what it looks like now. Clear up some of the tools. Okay. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the end. If you're still watching, the 250 dirt bike, well, 250cc 5-speed mini bike. I'm going to keep going on it here in the next video. We got to do the exhaust. I got to buy a master link because I didn't have one that's a 428. I think it is the chain off this dirt bike, which I got the matching sprocket, but the master link isn't right. So next video, I'm going to do the exhaust, master link, clutch cable, that kind of stuff if I can. If I don't have any money from parts though, I'm going to have to wait. We'll work on something else that doesn't require any parts. Hopefully next video though I can get the exhaust and the brake. Well, exhaust, shifter, there's a bunch of things left. Anyways guys, I did the best I could on this video. I hope you guys liked the 250cc dirt bike, and I appreciate you watching, guys, so thanks.